button.
You need to leave. Or else I'll press the panic button. Don't make me do it. Look, I know you mean me no harm. It's just delusional. So leave now, or else I'll hit the panic button.
Why is this happening? You have never forgotten.
Leave?
Hang on.
You! What are you doing on this side of the palace?
I mean, I was going...
What is that? Is that a tattoo? How did you get this past me?
No, it's not a tattoo. I was born with it. It's not a tattoo.
Do I look like a blind hippopotamus to you? I knew you were trouble. I knew you were trouble.